Hello everyone. This is the fourth part of the chapter The Special Prize from class 6. It was a prize giving to Jananpet High School. The principal of the College of Guwahati had been invited to preside over the function. This time the headmaster Ravin Barura had decided to award a special prize to the students with the best character. So means now it is a day, prize giving day of the school of Jananpet. So all the functions, all the arrangements are being done for this arrangement, and the main guest, the chief guest of this function was the principal of Guwahati College. And this time headmaster, here headmaster name is also given everyone, C. Ravin Barura. So he decided to give this time in this award, in this prize giving day, he decided that he will give a special prize for the best character. Students were discussing the special prize in the class 5th. Naren laughed and said loudly to Bhavesh, "Do you know, Bhavesh, the special prize for the best character is being awarded to Tapan." Means by seeing this, means they were mocking towards Tapan. They were saying this, that the special prize which our headmaster decided to give this time, you know what, this prize will be given to Tapan. They were just making fun of Tapan, but they did not know the actuality. The boys roared with laughter as Bhavesh, just listen this, all the boys started to laugh on Tapan. Tapan's face grew red with shame, and Tapan was feeling shame on this. He wished that ground would swallow up with him. Means he was just thinking that this ground should break and I should go inside of this ground. Means he was feeling, you can say, extreme shamefulness. The function started. After the welcome, the principal delivered his speech and a few others also spoke. Next came the distribution of prize. The prize winners growled with the pleasure with and pride. Then the time came for an announcement for the special prize. So the prize giving day was started. Means all principal as well as the many guests deliver their speech regarding many things, and the prize distribution also started. Means it was many prizes were given to students, but now it was a time for an announcement that the special prize for the best character, to whom it will be given. Addressing the assembly, the headmaster announced, "Honorary principal and respected ladies and gentlemen, the special prize for the student with the best character goes to Shriman Tapan Hajarika of class 5th. Means it was, you can say that unexpected things which was going with Tapan. The teacher and student were dumbfounded. Means as the headmaster said, this best character prize goes to Tapan Hajarika. All the students out there, all the teachers who were standing there, they just got blind, speechless, that what is this going on. The Tapan could not believe his ears. The headmaster repeated, "Tapan Kumar Hajarika, class 5th. Even that means Tapan could not believe that this is really for reality, that this is going for real. Means I am getting the award for special character and best character." His head reeled. Could it be true? Who was known as a bad boy, the school was being called to receive the prize for best character, as he was being called by the student that at the bad boy of the school, but now this boy is being awarded with the best character of the school. It was completely unexpected for Tapan as well as for the audience out there. Tapan stood up and went to principal, greeted him with a namaskar and accepted the prize. Headmaster then described how Tapan had helped the old beggar women and nursed the injured ox. He also gave Tapan 5 rupees from his own pocket. The hall was filled with sound of people applause. Tapan eyes glistened with tears of joy. So here Tapan came and the headmaster gave him the prize as he was awarded with the best character. And headmaster also described to everyone, means described to audience who was sitting there, that how Tapan is a good boy and how he helped the old beggar women and how he took care of the injured ox. Means everyone When everyone just come to know that this boy this much kind and generous, all stood up and clapped for Tapan, and Tapan was very happy and his eyes was full of tear. So here everyone, your story ends. I hope this video will be helpful for making you understand this chapter, and this story is very really interesting and gives the best message to the students. Thank you.